Hey programmer, welcome to the introductory video on Python with CODEITUP with HRISHAV. I know that you all are here to gain the knowledge for programming in Python. Okay, so let's see what programming is. Let's say I give you an instruction to run around the park for 10 times. So I'm instructing you what I feel. I don't know if you will obey me or not, but still, the computer isn't like that. It will obey me to whatever I commanded. So we can conclude that a set of instructions given to a computer to perform several tasks is called programming. But okay, we know what is programming, but how do we communicate to the computer? We need a medium, right? I'm talking to you and using a language to communicate with you, which is English, and which you and me both can understand. Similarly, we use any programming language like Python, Java, C++ to communicate with the computer, and the computer converts it into its own language, which is binary. We conclude that a programming language is any set of rules that converts strings or any program elements, only in the case of visual programming languages, to various kinds of machine code output. So let's see what is Python. It is one of the most favorite programming languages for AI based development. But why? Why would anyone like to learn Python? Why not any other language like C++ or Java? Why anyone would like to learn Python as his or her first language? It is mostly preferred because of its simplicity of syntax and versatility. So its syntax is very simple to understand. It's just like English, and it is very versatile. It can be used in many fields. So let's jump on to more advantages of Python. So here they are. Python is easy to read, learn, and write. Python is a very high level programming language that has English like syntax, as we discussed it earlier. Python is an interpreted language, which means that Python directly executes the code line by line. In case of any issues in the program is terminated by the interpreter. It is portable, which means that once written, read or execute anywhere. It runs on the principle of Vora. It can be executed on any OS, which can be Windows, Mac OS, Linux, to name a few. It has a vast collection of libraries and modules, which makes the tasks easy. Hope you were well introduced to the programming in Python. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, stay connected, stay safe.